What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman back to do another review. This time we're going to look at Instafire Fire Starter. Alright, so if you've seen this and you want to check it out, we're going to do a burn test, see how well it does, and go over the packaging and everything when we come back. So stay tuned. YouTube, we are back. If you're new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do gear reviews for hiking and camping and backpacking. I do tutorials, how I do my setup. I do some beard product reviews. So check out my other stuff. Make sure to drop me a like, make sure to drop a comment, and make sure to get over there and hit subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram and Twitter. Handle is the same on both. But anyway, today we're going to get to looking at the Instafire Fire Starter. Now, if you were like me, I saw these guys on Shark Tank and was pretty intrigued, but we're gonna get into the packaging and go over everything that's on the pack. So, all right, so we'll start at the top on the pack. It says that this pack lights up to 4 fires, made in the USA. That's always a good thing, as seen on Shark Tank. They do make a charcoal starter, as well as just this one is the fire starter. It says military grade, but it says that you can use it for campfire, fireplace, cooking, charcoal, or emergency fires. No harmful chemicals, eco-friendly, and smokeless. Alright, so the back, basically instructions: pour approximately 1/8 of a cup into a pile, light with a match or a lighter, and place wood over flame without smoldering it. Alright, so the features of this: it is able to light wet wood, burns and winds up to 30 miles per hour. Now we're not going to test that today, and I don't have any wet wood available. Burns on snow, even floats and burns on water. That sounds like it's going to be another test down the road. And bear with these love bugs. Non-volatile, no unexpected flare-ups. A long burn time: 1/8 of a cup will burn 5 to 7 minutes. That's what we're going to test today. A 5-year shelf life, waterproof pouch. It is kind of I don't even know how to describe it, but it feels like it will be waterproof. No harmful chemicals, safe to store near food, and Instafire's ash is a natural fertilizer. So it is a pretty cool product. I've not even opened the pack yet. I picked up one just to test it out and do this video. I picked mine up from Walmart. They're on Amazon. I think Lowe's has them. There's a couple different places you can pick these up from. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do approximately 1/8 of a cup. We're going to test it and time it and see how long it will actually burn. So yeah, we'll check it out. Alright, so while I'm opening this pack up, if this pack is indeed waterproof, that might be another test too down the road. Pick up another pack and try to test it. And a 5-year shelf life. This would actually be something really good to throw in a bug out bag, or in a survival bag, or maybe in your vehicle, just in case you needed to be in a situation where you needed to build a fire. It does have a little perforated tab there to where you can just peel it off. I'm not going to rip this all the way off. I don't want to dump it all out. Alright, so let me adjust the camera and we'll see what we can get going here. Alright, so let's just guesstimate. I'll say that looks about right. It's very lightweight. I don't even know how to describe the stuff. I know that's probably not let's do a little bit more. My wife will shoot me if I come out here with one of her measuring cups. Light's very easy. Time right now 6:01. So we'll see how long that burns. We'll run it on the time lapse. I do see some smoke, so their thing that says no smoke is not 100% accurate. failed to see on the pack is, says that the net weight is 1.75 ounces, which is, like I said, is a very lightweight material, whatever it is. And it's manufactured in Utah. So we have been burning now for 5 minutes. And we still have a little bit of a flame. Oh yeah. And what it did was it burnt and kind of made a shell or kind of a crust, and when I broke that up, it lit what was on the inside. So I can see this burning for, that may be a little more than 1/8 of a cup. It's about enough to fit in the palm of your hand, maybe a little bit more. But it is not smoke free, as we can see here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There is some smoke. Has a little bit of a smell. Not bad. If it would have maybe gone out had I not stirred it up. And it is out now. So we burned for 7 minutes. So right on what the pack said, 5 to 7 minutes. Now I don't know where they get their military grade description. Where they say that this is military grade. I'm not 100% sure where they get that info from, but yeah, there's the burn test. Alright guys, so there you have it. It burned for about 7 minutes. I did a little bit of stirring on it and helped it, but yeah, I would highly recommend this for an emergency kit. Keeping in your go bag, in your bug out bag, something to that effect. I probably wouldn't carry it hiking with me, but I would probably carry it camping with me. If I was going car camping, or maybe walking in a mile or two to a campsite, it'd be something I might consider, especially if you didn't know exactly what the weather was gonna do. It burned a pretty hot flame, so I can see where they would say it would burn wet wood. Now, I am gonna do another test down the road. I'm gonna buy another pack and test it and see if the pack is actually waterproof. And then I'm gonna even put it on some water and drop me a comment. Let me know if y'all want me to do that. Test the waterproof pack and see if it'll burn floating. And but yeah, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll put some links in the description for the different places that I've seen it for sale. I'll put a link to their website as well, and yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. Anyway, like, drop me a comment, and make sure to subscribe. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.